Clockwork dawn, cogs in the clouds turn slow. Copper wings hanging in rows like ghosts. Father's hands blackened with oil and hope. Sun stay low, but my heart climbs where storms go. Steam in my lungs, smoke in my veins, maps on the wall all marked with flames, rivets and runes etched on the frame. Danger they warn, but they still spell my name. I like the flight of the Icarus engine. Stoke that fire, feel the pistons rise. If I fall, let me fall, still ascending. I will kiss that burning sky. I will kiss that burning sky. Gears bite and grind, belts start to sing. Harbors below shrink to a narrow ring. Sun on the brass blinds both my eyes. Every new mile sheds one more lie. I ride the flight of the Icarus engine. Copper feathers turning molten bright. If I burn, let me burn unrepentant. I was born to chase that light. I was born to chase that light. Metal screams, skin begins to split. Feathers drip, fall in a shining mist. Was it pride, or was it hunger's twist to trade the wind for a stranger kiss? This is the flight of the Icarus engine. Every warning drowned inside the roar. If I drown, let me drown in the ether. I have never flown this far before. I have never flown this far Clockwork sea rising to meet my bones. Ash in the air, ash where the wings once shone. Somewhere above, smoke draws a crooked crown. I touched the sun, and it watched me going